Yes.
Today I asked my teacher about it. Like
Which one?
I have today I asked my teacher, like she was conducting a lecture right today. So I asked her,
Uh-huh.
I have C plus plus. Is
Uh,
it fine if I use that? She
that
told
one
me it's fine, but
include
then the cost
include, huh?
she no, I told
Uh,
her like I have turbo C plus plus with
uh-huh.
me.
Uh.
And is it fine? She was like, yeah, it's fine if he turbo C plus plus, but then the college uses the GCC software for C
Uh-huh.
level.
Unix. It is on Unix environment. They are doing on Unix environment.
He was like, they
GCC
use
means
GDB or GCC software for.
they are using Windows. Their program is same only. Just compilation, execution commands are different. I let you know in the next class. Some commands are different. For compilation, normally how you compile your C++ program, you click on Control
Yeah,
F9, na? Control F9.
yeah.
But there it is different, little bit difference will be there. I let you know in the next class. Some steps are there. GCC you have to type and you have to compile those programs. I will tell you some commands are there. Generally majority of us we do in Windows operating system. Maybe in your university they are doing in Unix environment. Operating system is different. Ubuntu or Unix, whatever it may be. Linux or
Both
Unix.
are same.
Linux, Unix, Ubuntu, in those operating systems we use GCC. Okay, I will give those
Okay,
comments. I'm having those comments. I will give. Okay, don't worry
okay,
about those
sir.
comments. Program is same only. No change in program. Program same program only. But compilation execution little bit difference will be there. Some comments will be there. I will let you know in the next class those comments. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
normally it is a C++ compiler. You can do C programs also here in this blue colored screen. Yeah, wait. So this is the first basic program. Let me write before going into details. Yesterday I stopped at link section now. Link section, definition section, we are discussing about those things. So okay, this is our first program. See, a comment I am writing as usual. So let me go with some documentation section. How to write documentation section? documentation section. If you want to go with the documentation section, C++ comment I have mentioned just for your reference how to use C++ comment. Now I can write C comment also. It is your will and wish. Comments are not compulsory, na? It is your will and wish. Okay.
Yeah, comments are
Not
actually
compulsory. Not
not
compulsory.
compulsory.
Yeah, exactly. So multi-line comments I am writing Shreyas. Okay. And then mobile number you can write mobile number also you can write something like that. Okay, right. And then you can write date on which you have written this program. You can write that also, something like 11/9/2020. Right. And some logic also you can write. Logic of this program you can write. This is the structure of what you call documentation section, so called. So print CSE on the screen. For example, if you want to print computer science engineering CSE on the screen, how do you write program for that? I want to end the comment. You can end like this. So these are called as multi-line comments. Now the program starts. So first link section you have to write now. Link section. So hash include stdio.h. I want to print CSE. Print means printf is the function. Okay.
Printf.
Printf is the function used to print something on the screen. And the
Yeah.
printf function is present in stdio.h header file. stdio header file. Okay.
Yeah.
stdio is the name of the header file in which printf function is present. I will write a comment. This is called as link section. This is known as link section. So what
Link
are the
section.
functions present in that? Functions present in that are, what are the functions present?
A
Functions.
printf, scanf.
Ah, yes, yes. Functions present in stdio header file that is called as header file. Or what are the functions present? Printf
printf and
and
scanf.
scanf. In the basics, we are using these two. Later on, we will get so many other functions, but in the beginning, we will get only these two functions. So I am going to use one of these functions in my program because I want to print CSC now. So how can I
Yeah,
print? Using printf function, I can print. So okay, link section is over. Then let me write main function. Main void main, just like your C++ only. Now, if you want to clear the screen, you can write clear the screen. CLR SCR, clear the
yes, yeah,
screen. And then let me write printf, printf CSV. That's it, CSV.
CSE.
Okay, done. In double quotes, you write. In double quotes, you write.
Yeah,
Put semicolon and get ch. I'm giving get ch also.
this is for like compiling, right? CLR, SCR, and
CLR
get ch.
SCR is meant for clearing the screen. If you don't give CLR SCR, previous output is there na? Previous output will be also displayed. See, I will show you. I will show you. If I don't write CLR SCR, what will happen? I am putting comment. Comments will not be considered na? Comments will not be compiled or not. See, I am
Yeah.
writing only printf in this program. In this main function, I have written only one statement. What is that?
Uh,
Printf.
printf,
Printf is the only
CSE.
statement which I have written. So now I am
Yeah.
saving this program. Save as, giving some name. What shall I give? Uh, display. Display. Display dot C. Dot C is the extension. In C++, how you saved programs? Dot CPP. Is it not?
Yeah,
And now we have
yeah,
to
yeah.
write dot C. Dot C is the difference. That
C.
we'll get here. Got it? Display.c. Now, if you want to compile the program, Alt F9, Alt and F9, you have to click. Alt and F9. Wait. Yeah. See, success. Press any key. That's it. And otherwise, you can click Control and F9 also. You can click Control F9. Alt F9 means only compilation. Control F9 means compilation and also execution. Got it? So I want to
Yes, sir.
compile as well as execute. Control
Easy.
F9, Control F9. Yes, executed. But how can I see output? Alt F5. Alt F5 you have to type. See, CSC.
Alt.
Alt F5. F5. Okay?
Okay. Alt
But
F5.
if you
Yes.
don't give get ch, then you have to do that. I have not given get ch. Is it not?
Yeah, you have.
I have not given na get ch. That's why you
Yeah.
are required to type alt. You are required to click alt F5 to see the output. That is the shortcut. Alt F5. But if get ch is there, see. If get ch is there, again I am compiling the program.
CLR.
Control, control. CLR also I am giving. CLR I am not giving. See, let us see. Again I am executing. See how many times CSC came?
Twice.
Because CLR SCR is not given now. That is the problem. That is the
Oh,
problem. Now I am giving CLR SCR and again I am executing the program. See this time. How many times CSC came?
only once.
Means previous output will be cleared. Got it?
Okay.
Whatever
Yeah.
previous output you have written, that will be cleared. That will be vanished totally. Clear the screen. CLR SCR means. Okay.
Yeah.
So it depends upon compiler. In this compiler, these two functions are also present in stdio only.
STD. Dot.
Uh, in some
H.
compilers may not accept. Some compilers may not accept. You are required to give conio.h. Conio.h is required, but here it is not required. It is accepting. stdio is accepting. No problem. No issue. Okay.
Well, yeah.
Yes.
Actually, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Like
What is it?
in C++ or like in C also you wrote void main,
Yeah. Here
but
also
then
main only.
today in college when the teacher
Only
was
main they
teaching,
have told, huh? Only main. There is no void. Huh?
he did not say like that, but then instead of void main, she wrote int main. Like, why
Int
was
main.
int
Yeah, yeah.
taken there?
I will tell you. I will tell you. Int means you have
I
to
have
return. You have to return. Return value should be there. See, I am returning here. Return.
so like what is return 0?
That I will explain during functions. Now also you can understand, but in functions you can totally understand. Wait. I'll let you know.
So if
See,
we write
see.
int,
See, generally main function, I will tell you, see, generally main function is designed in such a way, huh? Able to understand?
yeah,
Generally main function is designed in such a way that it should return some value. Okay.
oh,
So if
okay,
you want to return integer, I am returning integer or not, 0 is integer or not, tell me.
yeah,
You
it
can
is
return,
integer.
you can write 0 or 9 also, or 10 also, or 12 also. They are all integers now. See,
Yeah,
I'm executing this program again. You are getting output or not? See, you have written some
yeah,
integer value. So if you return integer, then you have to write int. Got it? You have to write int.
yeah.
So C++ compilers are designed, or C compilers are designed in such a way that main function should return some value. It can return in a floating value also. See, 12.78 I am writing. See what is going to happen? Getting or not? So, but
Yeah,
you,
it
you
was
are returning integer floating now. That's why you have to write float. Of course, int
float.
also it will come, but float you have to write. That is correct. You are returning floating
Okay.
value. So return floating value. So you have to write return type as float. If you write void,
So
what
if
will happen? See, void means that
float,
not
should
returning anything.
return.
If I write void, what will
But
happen? It is coming, but it is not correct. It is not fair. So whenever you write void, this is not required. That is not required. Okay.
okay, yes,
Understood?
sir.
So generally, main function will return some value. So if it is returning int, you write int. If it is not returning int, you write, if it is floating, if it is returning float value, then write float. If it is not returning anything, you write void. But when you write
So
void,
basically depends like if we have any, if we want to print any numbers in the program, so we should write int or float.
no, not like that, not like that. Yeah. It is user-defined functions. When I discuss about user-defined functions, you can understand that. So in C++ also user-defined member functions are there now. Void,
Yeah,
some show, display, we have written parameterized functions. So whenever I deal with user-defined functions, then I will introduce that concept of returning some value like int, float, at the half of the subject after 10 days or 15 days we will go into that issue. Got it?
got it, sir.
Yeah. So at that time you can totally understand, don't worry. So till now you just remember that, till that class you have to remember that. So generally main functions return some value. If no value is returned, you have to mention void. In the notes also I will mention and send you, don't worry. Okay, all those points I will send you in notes also. I will write, I will mention, already I mentioned. Okay.
Yeah.
So main function, if it is not returning anything in this program, see, is main function returning anything? Any return statement is there?
No.
No. That's why you have to write void. If you write int, see what is happening. Now also it is coming. Even if you are not writing also, it will return, obviously. So whenever you write int, you have to return some value at the end. Even
Mhm.
get ch is okay, but return some value. Generally this program is not returning anything, that's why I'm writing void. Okay, still clarity you can understand during functions chapter, total clarity you will get. Total, it is too early to talk about that. Okay, till then you remember that generally main function you can write either void or int or float also allowed, no problem. Okay, but if you write int, you have to return integer, return statement should be there. If you write float, some floating value should be returned. That's it. Got it?
Got it, sir.
So this is the basic program. Okay. So shortcuts also you understood how to compile the program. Only compilation means what is the step? Tell me. Alt and F9. Only compilation means, I will write here in notepad, you can see. Only compilation means what? Only compilation.
Alt
What is the
F9.
shortcut? Alt,
Alt F9.
yes, Alt and
F9.
also F9 at a time you have to click. Okay. And
Yeah.
both compilation as well as execution I want. Compilation and execution I want. And execution. So for that, what is the shortcut? Control F9. Both will take place at a time. Control and F9. F9 is the function key. That's it. F9. That's it. So that is it. And if you don't give get ch, how to see the output? Shortcut is to see the output Alt F5. Alt and F5 we have to type at a time. Okay. If you don't give get ch, I will write here. See. If you don't, I will give you notes. Don't worry. All these things. If you don't give what? Get ch.
HCH.
If get ch is not there in your program, then Alt and F5 is required. If get ch is there, then Alt and F5 is not at all required. By Control F9 itself, you will get. Okay. Understood these steps?
Sir,
Yes.
yes, sir. Is this shortcuts only applicable for Turbo C or any software?
Yeah. Turbo C. In when you are using no. When you are using Unix operating system, things will be little bit different. Okay. GCC command we use. I let you know in the next class those commands. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because in your college they are using maybe they are using either Unix or Linux or Ubuntu. Okay. Maybe they are using those operating systems. If they are using those operating systems, little change in compilation execution will be there. Only one step difference. That's all. Only one step. That one step tomorrow I will show you. I let you know. You can operate same steps. Okay. GCC you have to use. For saving also little bit difference will be there. I'll let you know in the next class. Don't worry about that. Okay. Fine. So see, I have written control F9. Somebody may ask you without, sorry, I have written this program. So main function is there and header file is also there. And somebody may ask you in interview also, how do you write a program without using header file in C? Can I write any program without using header file? Huh?
Yes.
What is your answer? Yes, you can write. But how? Normally in college, they won't teach these things. But you should know how to write a program without using header file in C. Or can we write a program in C without using header file? What is the answer? Yes, yes. So when we write any program in C without using header files and compile the program, before saving, see what I am doing. See what I am doing. I will write one simple application here. Then you can understand. Void main. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, void main. Printf. Directly I am writing printf. Printf. I am writing. I am doing C. I am doing C. I am doing C. Okay, fine. So very simply I have written. Is there any header file in this program? See,
No
no header
header
file.
files.
But did I save the program till now?
Not yet.
I have not saved the program now. Now see control F9 I am typing. What it is showing? It is showing error
Error.
or not?
Yes,
Function
sir.
printf should have a, what is that?
Prototype.
Function prototype means that header file. Hash include stdio.h is not given. But if you
But
save the program, see, I am saving the program. Header file, no header file, no head. I am typing as no head.c. Okay, I am saving the program. Now I saved the program now.
yeah.
Now see I am executing control F9.
Yeah.
Now you got output. You got output. Alt F5 I will show you. See Alt F5. Got the output? Why
Yes,
you
sir.
got CSE? CLR SCR is not given na. Previous output also.
Because,
CLR
CLR
SCR is
SCR.
not given, na? Yeah, now I will give that also. See, CLR SCR. Control F9. But Alt F5 you have to click because get ch is not given, na? Okay, I will give get
Yeah.
ch also. I will give get ch also. Don't worry. I will give that also. Yeah, but I have to save the program, na? I saved the program. What is the program name? No head.c. Some name I have given. .c is the extension. Now I am executing the program. See, I am doing C. Got the output or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Got it.
without header file also we can write a program. But I mean, what you have to do for that matter? If you want to run a
We,
program without header file, you have to save the program or you need not save the program.
if we don't write a header, if we don't have header file in the program
Yes.
first, and then after saving it, we will execute.
That is the thing. If you don't save, then without header file, it won't be
It won't
executed.
be possible.
Yes, yes, it is a trick. It is the trick actually. It is not a concept actually. So for better result, use header file when creating a bigger program. Okay. Generally big programs, whenever you write, better you go with header file. If you don't write header file, if you don't save and compile, it won't get compiled. Don't compile it. Just save it with the .c and then compile if you don't write header file. Okay.
Yeah.
Understood that logic? Fine. Right. Right. Next thing. So you understood this also. Now we will go with simple program. Another one, not this. And before that, you should know variables and all these things. So let me go with the variables and those things. So just like C++ only, here also same data types are there. Their ranges, all those things we have to study. Textbook is there with you?
No, sir, we
You are
didn't
not taken
get a
textbook. I will send you that that notes also. I mean to say, like the range being accepted by integer and all these things I will send you. But see here, int, these are the data types. What are data types? See, data types. What are the data types available in C language? Data types available are, first one is int is there. In int also variety of different varieties are there, like short int is also there. Short int is there, int is there, long int is there. Okay, and one more is there, long int is also there. Long is also there. Long how many are there? One, short int, long int. These many are there. These many data types are there for int, and whatever it is, generally they occupy 2 bytes of memory. If it is a higher processor, then some processors may take 4 bytes also. It depends, but generally you can mention 2 bytes. 2 bytes of memory it will occupy. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, you know that. How many characters are there in computer? Tell me. COMPUTER. 8 characters are there. So 8
it
bits. 8 bits. 8 bits means 1 byte.
one
But generally,
bits means
what is that?
one
8
8 bits means
1 byte. 1 byte. So 2 bytes are required. Means 16 bits are required for integer to accommodate. Okay. 2 bytes of memory is required. This is the memory, and these are the data
that
types,
means
and this is the memory occupied by integer. This is the memory occupied by integer memory. Okay, now let us go
yeah.
with integer is over now. Now decimal value, how to represent decimal? Float is there. Float
No,
and float occupies how many bytes? Float occupies how many bytes? Wait. Float occupies 4 bytes of memory, just double to integer. 4 bytes of memory it will occupy. 4 bytes of memory, sorry. 4 bytes of
4 bytes of memory.
4 bytes of memory. That you have to remember. Okay. And then one more unit is there. This is for decimal. First one is for what? Integer. This is for integer. Integer. And second one is for decimal values.
Decimal.
Yes. Decimal. And next double is also there. Double is also for decimal only. Double. Double occupies 8 bytes, 8 bytes of memory. 8 bytes of memory it is going to occupy. Okay, 8 bytes of memory.
Yeah.
So it is also for decimal only, decimal only. And one more is there, char. Char is also a data type. It is going to occupy only 1 byte, least one among all. So 1 byte, it is a representation for what? Character, character. Okay, examples can you give? Integer example, let us go with integer example. Int
Number
int
1
x
or 2.
int x is equal to 9 is an integer or not?
9. Yes.
Comma y is equal to minus
Yes.
7. Minus negative integer can be also considered. Okay, negative or positive, whatever it is, that is integer. Can you give example for decimal? Means float.
Float
Float,
x is
yeah,
equal to 2.5.
float x is equal to 5.8 or 94. You can write like that. Okay, that is the
Yeah.
example. And for a double, same, just like that. Double, that's it. Understood? And for char, for character,
Char.
char, ch, you can write any variable name, not only ch, you can write any variable name. But in single quote, you have to write. If I want to put a as a character, single quote is required for putting characters. Always remember, single quote is needed. So I'm writing here, you can understand. Single quote is needed. Single quote is needed for characters. And for string, string also char only. But one dimensional array we use for string. This is for string. So how to write, you know? See, I'm writing. Memory also I will give, don't worry. Char str is equal to, how many characters are there? Tell me. How many characters
7.
are there inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single quote I am deleting. Okay. 7 characters are there in your
Characters
name.
are there.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5, 6, 7. 7 means what is the size? But you have to mention the size here. Don't write like this. Like this.
strlen.
Like this. Like this you have to write. 7 is the size, na?
Mm.
So you can give one
Yeah.
more than that, one more than that, because last character will be there. It is not visible, but it will be there. That is called as null character. Null character. So last character is the null character. We will come across with that in strings concept. Okay, null character means end of the string. It represents end of the string. This is a null character. Is a null
Well,
character. It represents the end of a string. It represents the end of a string. That's it. It represents the end of a string. Is a null character. It represents the end of a string. In every string, the last character is going to be null character. The last character is a null character. Here it will be present. You can write also. No problem. You can write like this also. But not required. Not required. It is present. So
it is
totally
already
7,
present.
and indexing always starts from 0. I will talk about that in strings, don't worry. Okay, only this concept I will discuss during strings again, don't worry. So size is 8 na. 8 means what? 8 bytes memory is occupied here. For Shreyas, how many bytes are required? 8 bytes of memory is required. Of course 7 is enough, but 1 is for null character. Okay, if I give 7, 7 will be there, but here 8 bytes I have taken. So 8 bytes is the size. Got it? For
Yeah.
computer, 9 bytes are required because 8 characters are there, and the end of the string means null character will also occupy 1 byte. So totally 9 bytes are required for computer. Understood? These are the data types, and every data type will be having some range. Range we need not remember. approximately it will be 32,000 somewhere. Some I did not remember that number. You can check later on in my notes. Some ranges will be there. Some positive to negative value it will be there. 32,000 something will be there. I did not remember the range. You can see the notes for every for float int double char for all these things. Some ranges will be there. Ranges you see from notes. Okay, we need not remember the ranges. Some big number will be there. Okay,
Okay.
got it. These are the data types in your syllabus. It is also given. Data types is also there in your syllabus. Now we will using these data types, we will write some small program. We will write a small application. We will design. So let me go with header file. Hash include. You forget about
I
IO stream. IO stream is not used here. Only stdio.h. stdio.h. Hash include stdio.h. Void main. Conio is not required. My compiler is accepting. That's why conio is not even required. And CLR.
didn't get CLR SCR.
SCR. See, first you have to give CLR SCR. First, if you see what I am doing. If you initialize variables here, it will show error. Okay, I will show you. See, I will show you this also. Error. First, I will write error program. Then I will correct that. B is equal to 4 and sum I have taken. Okay. Okay. This is called as declarative section. Yesterday I am talking about this declarative. Declarative section. Yesterday structure of C program I am talking now. I am discussing now. In that section is called as declarative section. Okay.
Yeah.
So declarative section, but you should not give there. First CLR SCR should come. I want to write a wrong program first, then I will correct that. See, printf print before that I have to add na sum is equal to, what is the formula for adding? A plus
B.
B, that's all. Now I want to display the sum. How to display? Printf
Print
printf sum of, inside double quotes you can give
data
it, sum of two numbers,
sum
sum of two numbers is equal
ND.
to percentage D you have to give. For integer, format specifier is percentage D. I will give format specifiers weight. So you are required to write format specifiers. So I will add one more weight. I will add this also, weight. Format specifiers. What are the format specifiers for integers? For integer, the format specifier is percentage D. You have to remember that. Percentage D. Percentage I is also allowed, but in old compilers it is allowed. And for decimal, float. For float, what is that? Percentage F. Okay. Percentage F
Yeah.
is for float. And for double, you know, LD.
No.
LD is for double. And then for character, percentage C. Percentage C. For characters, percentage C. For string, percentage S. Percentage yes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you have to remember these. These are the new things. In C++, they are not present, isn't it?
But these are present in C.
Yeah, they are present in C. In C++, they are not required. But in C, these are required. So whenever integer comes, you have to use percentage D. Format specifiers, they are called as. See, now we are
Format
dealing with
specifier.
only integers now. We are dealing with only
Yeah.
integers, isn't it? That's
Yes,
why
sir.
what to do? We are dealing with only integers. So percentage D I have written. So double quote is ended. And now where is the sum registered? In the variable sum na? You write that sum here.
E plus B.
This is the way to write. See, very simple. Inside double quotes, whatever is given, it will come. And of course, after that, get ch will be there. I will explain. Wait.
Well, but
Right.
you did not write sum inside double quotes. So why is it
Which one? No.
here?
Wait.
Here sum
See. Where? Sum of two numbers
after
equal to percentage
B.
D. Written na? Sum of two
No,
numbers. Where?
after that you wrote sum here right in green.
Ah. This one you are talking about,
That,
this one.
yeah, yeah.
That should not be in double quotes. That should be out of double quotes. And comma, separator operator should be given in between. Okay. So if you write like that,
Okay.
see the output first. I will talk about this. Wait. I will talk again. How to save this? Wait. Alt F, save as. Now give some name. Add
Dot
function.
C.
Add dot C.
Dot C.
Add dot C. Some name I have given add dot C. Now I am executing C. Control F9. See,
Alt
sum of
F5.
two numbers. How you got? See, just remember that sum of two numbers is equal to 9. What is the output? Tell me.
9.
How you got that output? I will explain. What is the output? Tell me. Sum of,
Output
wait,
sum of two numbers
uh,
is equal
sum
to A
of
plus
two numbers is equal to
B
9.
plus
Is equal to 9 you got, right?
9.
So, how you got this? See, I am highlighting this portion. Except 9, everything I highlighted. How you got? Inside double quotes, it is given, na? Inside double
Percentage
quotes,
D.
what is given? Wait. Inside double quotes, what is given? Sum of two numbers is equal to. As it is, you printed now. Sum of two numbers is equal to. But after is equal to, what is there? Tell me.
9.
Ah, how you got 9? That 9 is nothing but percentage D. And what is that percentage D? Integer format
Float
specifier.
for integer.
Integer, na?
Format specifier for
Ah,
integer.
that integer, and that and in which variable that is present? Sum is the variable, na? That sum is the percentage D. Got it? That sum is the percentage D. So inside sum you are getting some value or not?
Yeah.
So which value you are getting in sum? 5 plus 4, that is 9. You are getting 9 or not inside sum?
Yes.
That 9 is printed here but in the format specifier. Percentage D means sum. Sum means 9. Like that you have to understand. See, again I will tell. Percentage D means sum and sum
Sum.
means 9. That's
9.
it. That's it. That's how you print it. Got it?
Sir, yeah. Sir, you told like if you write
Hmm.
int A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4, and sum before CLR SCR, then it is an error. But then
Wait. That is wait. It is accepting it since wait. And actually some compilers won't accept. Just a minute, I will show you that. This is accepting, yes, exactly. Some compilers won't accept. Wait. Now see, first you should not write, sorry. Second, you have first variables should be given, then CLRSCR should be given. Sorry. Got it? First,
okay.
first variables
First
visit
variables.
the memory space. Variables should visit the memory space. First CLRSCR, if I give, see what is happening. Error. What is it error? Declaration is not allowed here. Declaration is not allowed here.
Not
That is the problem. Declaration is not allowed. So what to do? First, don't give clear the screen. First, what to give?
the
First, what to give?
variables.
Variable declaration should be given. Then go with CLR.
CLR.
That is correct. This is correct. Sorry, I altered. I reversed it. Sorry. This is correct. CLR SCR should be
Yeah.
given after variable declaration. I will write a comment otherwise. CLR SCR should be given
After variable declaration.
CLR SCR should be given after variable declaration or initialization. Here of course some variables are declared and some are initialized after variable declaration. Okay, so why we should give like that? First variable should go to the memory. First variables should reach the memory. These are the variables now. A and B and sum. A, B and sum are the variables. They have to reach the memory first of all. So in the memory they should be visiting the memory space first. Then you can clear the screen. First of all, if you clear the screen, it won't accept. First memory should be visited. Memory area should be visited by the variables A, B and sum. That is the reason for that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, and you learned about format specifiers also just now, right? And one more thing is that Here also same story. Program execution starts from opening brace of the main function. What is the first step given? Declarative part. A is a variable, B is also a variable, sum is also a variable. And in the declarative section, what we have done? What we have done, tell me. A and B are, A and B variables are,
Integers.
wait. A and B variables are initialized or declared? Tell me.
Declared and
A and B
initialized.
are initialized. That is the correct terminology. A and B are initialized. And sum is,
Declared.
declared, exactly. And variable sum is, that is also variable na, and variable
Yeah.
sum is declared.
Declared.
Declared means nothing is there in that. Okay. And
Yeah.
initializer can be also called as assigned. That is also correct. Initializer or assigned or
Assigned.
defined. That is also correct. Different terminology. See, we are using different terminology.
Initialized
Defined.
or
That is also correct. Defined. I will write in next line.
defined.
Wait. I will write in next line. Yeah. Got it? So declarative
Yeah.
section, A and B variables are initialized, assigned or defined, and variable C is declared. That's it. This is called as declarative section. That is about that. Understood? So
Yeah.
see everything, there is some meaning. And why should we write void? I told na. Why should we write void? The function main is not returning anything in this program. The function main function, otherwise I
The
can write like this: main function
is not
is not returning
returning
any value,
any value.
so so
Void is returned.
void is required, void is needed,
Required.
needed, otherwise void is needed, so void is required otherwise. Okay,
Yeah.
that is the meaning of that. So everything we defined in this. And stdio is the header file, that also I told earlier. Remember that stdio
Yeah.
stands for what? Stdio stands
Header
for
file.
standard input, standard
Standard
input
output function.
output header file, header file. And what is that dot h? Dot h is the extension, dot h is the extension, extension to save the header file, is the extension, to save the, to save what?
Header file.
To save the header file,
Header file.
to save the header file. That is the extension used to save the header file. Okay,
Header file.
that is the meaning of that. And hash is the preprocessor director. That also I will write here itself. See, hash is the preprocessor directive,
Directive.
directive or director, both are correct. And what about include? Include is a command. Yesterday I told na, include is a command.
Command.
Include is a command. Is a command. That's it. Put comment here also. I'm saving. Okay, that is how things will go. Understood? Everything is having meaning in this. And this is the executable section. This is the executable section. Yesterday I am discussing na. This is the executable section. In this program, definition section is not given. Global declaration section is also not given. Subprogram section is also not given because this is simple program. They are not required. They are not required in this program. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Okay, fine. This is the basic program. Now void also we have covered. And the declarative section also we have done. We have done here. And next. So if you want to accept data from keyboard, how do you accept? That is the next program. Shall we accept that from keyboard also? Shall we write?
Yeah.
One simple program? Yeah. Tomorrow we will go with
Sir,
swapping and all those things. Yeah, yes.
actually, today in my college lecture, they gave 3 programs for like practice. So I
Okay.
had a doubt in the programs.
Yeah. You just
Uh,
share that program. We will do that. What is
first
the program?
program, first program which they gave was
Hmm.
write a program to calculate the area of cube.
Area of cube. What is the formula for finding area of a cube? X into X into X, huh?
Yeah,
S
x
cube.
cube.
S cube, side cube, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, right. That is the formula. Yes, can we do that? Shall I do?
yes, yes,
Hmm?
sir. We will do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hash include, hash include,
STD.
uh, stdio dot h, and then void main, void main, and then first we should not give CLR SCR na. First we have to first
Declarative
uh,
statement.
side. Shall I take 5? Hmm?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
And area you are required to find na. A is a variable which is declared, just declared. We don't know what is there inside A. We have to find out that. Now what is the formula? A is equal to S into, in two ways you can write this program. Both the ways I will show you. S into S into S. Otherwise you can use power function also. I will show you that. Okay.
X cube.
This is S cube. Power also you can use. First I will show you this, then I will do that program also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Printf, and same program through keyboard also we will do. Okay.
Yeah.
Area, yes, area of a cube is equal to, area of a cube is equal to percentage. A is of type integer, no? Integer means what is the format specifier? D. Understood? A
Yeah.
is the area which you are getting. That's all. Over. Program is over. This is one way, easiest way. This is the easiest way. I will say, wait, cube, na? Cube 1.c. I'm saving as cube 1.c. Let me execute this. Yes, 5 cube means 125. Perfect. Yes or no? 125
Yes.
means A. A means what? Percentage D. Percentage D means integer, na? 125 will be displayed. Understood?
Okay.
A means what? 125.
125.
And A means percentage D. Percentage D means what? 125 is there in that. Got
Yeah.
it?
125.
Area of a cube is equal to percentage D means A, and A means 125. Got it?
125.
You think
Yeah.
like that. Percentage D means A, and A means
A.
125. That's it.
125.
Understood? Now, in another way
Yeah.
also, you can do this program. I will show you that. Here itself, I will show you. I will put a comment. This will also work. I will write. This also works. This also works. Now, in another way, I will write, but I will add one header file for that. What is the header file? Tell me.
Actually,
Math.h. Understood?
okay.
Mathematical
That
function. Pow I
power
am
is
going to use. Yes,
power
exactly.
is going to be used.
Yes. See
So
what I am doing. See what I am doing. A is equal to pow within bracket s power 3 na s comma 3. Understood?
okay.
Parameterized function. Yeah. Now see. Saved. Program is saved. Now I am executing this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Two ways you can show to your teacher. Both the ways you will be appreciated. Got it?
Got it, sir.
You take a pic otherwise, because it takes time for me to send you notes. Na? Tomorrow morning at some time I will send you notes. Okay.
I took it, sir.
Take a pic of this.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. So please carefully understand, try to understand why I have given math.h. Huh? Why I have given
Because
math.h? Because, see, I'm writing comment. Pow is a function, is a mathematical function. Pow is a
mathematical
mathematical
function.
function present in present in present in which header file? Present in the header file.
Math.h.
Yeah, present in the
Header
header
file
file
math.h.
math.h. That's it. That's why that is correct. Understood?
Yeah.
See, both ways you should know, not only one, both. Same program through keyboard we will do. Okay? Shall I do?
Okay, sir.
Through keyboard also we can do. I will copy and do some modifications to this code. Okay. Now see what I am doing. Edit, paste. Now see, through keyboard you want, na? So S should be declared. S is declared. Both S and A are declared now. Now how to accept from keyboard? See, first printf enter side. Yes, enter yes. Enter yes. Yes is the side, na?
Yeah.
Printf I have written. Then scanf. Scanf is the function. See, always remember, printf means to print on the screen. I will write here. I will write here. See, printf is a predefined function. Is a predefined function. Predefined function or built-in function. You can call it as built-in function. Also correct. Predefined function or built-in function. Predefined within bracket built-in function, predefined function. Use it to what? Use it to print. Use it to print on the screen, print on the monitor, print on the screen. Otherwise, screen.
Yeah.
Visual display unit or monitor. Otherwise, simply. Okay, fine. Now, what is the purpose of scanf? Let me write first scanf. How to write scanf, you know? So you are accepting integer or decimal from keyboard? Tell me, first of all, are you accepting integer or decimal?
Integer.
Yeah, because S is of type integer, na? So
Yeah.
for integer, what is the format specifier?
%d.
In double quotes, you have to give that and then put comma. Okay, now you can write here. So now, what is the variable? To which variable? To which variable it has to reach? To which variable?
A.
If you type 5 from keyboard, 5 should reach to which variable? Yes or A? Yes or A? A or yes? Side. Enter yes means what?
It should reach S and
Yes.
then A is.
A you have to find. Yes is given from keyboard.
It
Address
should reach
of
S.
Address of S. Don't forget, normal S is not accepted. In C++, you might have written normal S, but here you have to write address of S. Address of S and put a semicolon. That's it. So what is the function of scanf? Tell me. I will write here. Scanf is a predefined function. It is also built-in function, predefined function. Use it to
Print on the
accept
screen.
data from keyboard. Accept data from where? Data from
keyboard.
Yeah, data from keyboard. That's it. Understood? Understood
Yeah.
this program? Now we will execute this program and see. Now we will execute. Alt F, save as cube2.c. I am saving this program. Saved. Program is saved. Now I am executing. See, it is asking now how it came. Enter yes colon came. Now I type 2. I type 2. What will happen? 2 into 2 into 2. Got?
Yeah.
Area of a cube equals 8. Got it? Like that.
Yes, sir.
So how you got? See, first what is given on the monitor, on the screen? Enter yes.
Enter.
Just by saying that, I typed 2 from the keyboard. 2 will reach the memory of yes. Address means memory. So whatever you type from keyboard, because scanf will take that. So keyboard means, you simply remember, keyboard means scanf. Screen means printf. That you have to remember forever. Okay. Scanf means keyboard. Printf means
keyboard.
Screen. In that way you remember. Screen is an object represented by printf. Keyboard is an object represented by the function scanf. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, that is how it works.
Printf
Shall I?
screen
Yeah,
and
yeah, like that. Any other program is there for you?
yeah, one more is there.
What is that?
Actually, there are two more. One
What
was
are they?
over.
What are they? Tell me.
Second program is write a program to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of two
Ah,
floating point numbers.
okay, we will do. Shall I do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sure. Two floating point numbers
Yeah,
and
sure. We will do.
addition.
We will do. We will do. STD. See, observe carefully how we are doing. Void main. Yes. Now floating. You are asking floating now. So go with float.
Floating
Float x is equal to 8.93 comma y is equal to 5.12. Okay, and they asked some difference and then product. Still what else? What else they asked?
sum, product, and division.
Division they asked. In place of
Yeah.
difference, I will write diff. I will write diff. Okay, diff. And another one they asked is division. Div.
Division.
Only division or modulus division?
No, only division.
We will do both. Huh? Mod div.
Okay, sir.
Mod div also we will do. Modulus division. Division also we will do. Okay. Right. See, I have taken all the requirements. Whatever is required. Now,
Yeah.
initialized. You need not accept from keyboard. Now I am giving CLR as CR. Now, what is the formula for addition? S is equal to x plus y. S is equal to x plus y. And then what is the formula? Diff is equal to what is the formula? X minus y. Am I right?
Yeah.
Next, product is equal to x.
X into y.
That's it. And div is equal to division. Means quotient. If you want to get quotient. So what is the formula? X by y. Okay.
X by y.
And if you want to get remainder, mod div. Modulus function. Mod div is equal to, how to write? X percentile y. What is the difference between division and percentile division? Division will give,
Division
yeah,
will give x by y.
this will give
But
only quotient in integer portion of quotient.
Only quotient.
Integer, in integer format, that also in integer.
Yeah.
And this will give,
Will give remainder.
Reminder only. This will give reminder. Yes.
So quotient will not be given in this.
No. Only reminder will be given. We will see. Now I want to display all the results. How to display? Whenever I say display, printf. First, I want to see sum is equal to decimal value, floating or not. Floating means what is the format specifier? F.
Sum
and some tab space. Tab space, you know, in C++ also we use a tab space.
Yeah.
Then difference is equal to, in double quotes you can write anything. Difference is equal to percentage F tab space. Then what is the next one? Product is equal to percentage F tab space, and then quotient.
Sir,
what
can you
happened?
tell why did tab space like?
Tab space means some space is required after output. Sum is equal to, you will get some sum. Then some space should be given. Otherwise, you will get immediately, see, output you will get like this. Sum is equal to 9 point, something like this, I am approximately telling. If you don't give tab space, again it will write like this. It looks clumsy, na?
Yeah.
That's why some space is better now. After this, some space, some tab space, that much space will be given. Which this looks better, na?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
why tab space is required. Understood?
Understood, sir.
Quotient, QUOTIENT. Quotient is equal to
Percentage F. Tab
percentage
space.
percentage F. And the last one, what is that? Reminder. Reminder, na? Percentile means reminder
Remainder.
is equal to, of course, you will get integer, but better you write because you have taken all floating only. That is why I am giving percentage F. Understood? Now you have to write comma variable names. First variable, yes, na? Yes. Second variable,
Yeah. Yes.
diff.
Diff.
Third variable, t.
T.
Fourth variable,
Div.
div. Div, huh? Fifth variable,
Not div.
no, not div, I think. Div, mod div. Yeah, yeah, mod div. Yes, exactly. Mod div. Mod div. Yes.
And now we get the answer.
Yes. Done. Over. Now give get ch. It will come. Sure.
Get
Done. Save as. Mm, arithmetic,
elementary
arithmetic, no? Arithmetic, I am saying. Arithmetic
operations
dot C.
are
All
the
arithmetic operations we have performed. Yes. Through keyboard, you do as an assignment. What are the errors? See, illegal use of floating point. Where? Mod div is equal to x percentage y. Why it is showing? Mod div.
Or I think we should, for remainder, we should write, I think,
D, yeah?
percent D. Then maybe the error might go. If we write percent D for
Wait.
remainder.
Reminder.
Yeah.
No, it is showing so
Per
many mistakes. Percentage D. But you have taken reminder integer only, na? I will do one thing. Decimals we have done, na? We have created decimals. They asked simple division only, na? Yeah,
yeah,
that is the
simple division.
problem. Mod div we should not do because they asked only that. That's why they asked only that. Reminder you cannot do with this like this. So I will remove that mod div because only reminder integer you will get. You cannot deal with the decimal, na? Now I will check again.
Yeah.
Some problems are there. I will check that. Wait. Yeah, still problems are there. Div is assigned a value that is never used. Div is assigned a value. Oh, this one I have to remove that. Okay, control Y. Okay. Div. Okay. Yes. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Some difference product, some tab space is there, na? Between all the outputs, some space is there or not? Between
Yeah.
sum and difference, space is there. Difference and product, space is there. Product and quotient, space is there. How you got that space? With the help of, you asked that, with the help of tab space. If you don't give tab space, it won't come. This tab space, sorry, not this tab space. Where is that? Here it is. This tab space. That is a tab space, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. The tab space is allowing some space between them. Otherwise, you can use /n also. In every new line, you will get that. Vertically, you will get. Now you got horizontally na output. You can get
Yeah.
vertically also. Vertically also you can get. Understood? Shall I close
Yeah.
the session with this for today?
Yes, sir. Sir, the last program was to find the square of any number. I will be
Square or square root?
square. I
Square.
will be
Okay.
able to do this question because
You want to
it,
try
it
that?
it's similar to cube, right? So I will be
Yeah. Square they asked, huh? S square.
yeah, just
Uh,
square of any number. So I
yeah.
will do it,
You
sir.
can use, yeah, you can do that. You do and send to me. I will check. Huh?
Okay,
You
sir.
do and then WhatsApp to me. I will check whether it is correct or not. Okay. By morning, I will check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall I end the session for today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow we will meet at 9. I will send you notes on tomorrow morning. Okay. Fine.
Yeah,
Good night.
sure.
Good night.
Good night.